in terms of modifying a game, what what we would be starting with is this one, right? Same game. Missiles randomly fly from the left at random speeds. You have an airplane. You fly around and try and dodge the missiles. And when the missiles hit the left-hand side of the screen, the score increments by 1. And if you get hit, the window closes and the game ends very abruptly. So I want to take that game, the very basic starter game, and I'm going to modify it in some key ways. At this point in the sketch, I'm just like kind of brainstorming what kind of game do I want. Well, I want one where things fall from the sky and you control something down here uh, to try and dodge them or whatever. So I'm kind of turning the game sideways. So I'm changing the orientations. I'm limiting this person's movement because he can't fly up in the air. He's going to stay on the ground and just go back and forth. So that's the basic game mechanic. So as I get into it, I'm just going to start thinking through what are the things that I need to change in the game. I also grabbed some graphics. So I've got a little background image. I've got the skateboarder and some random fast food items that are going to fall from the sky. So I'm going to have the skateboard guy go back and forth and catch the items rather than try and avoid them, because obviously all that skateboarding makes him very hungry. You will notice that these all appear to have a white background except for this one. All I have to do is set that color key to this color, which is a perfect cyan. So it's 0, 255, 255 is this color, and so I can easily pick that. It's kind of the equivalent of having a green screen when you're filming the movie. You just have to pick what color your green screen is.